All right, my pudding pops, let's take a look at this. So here I have a recipe that my grandma used to make me called icebox pie, and look it up on the internet. It's freaking amazing. Okay. Anyway, so let's look at our fractions here. We have 2/3, 1/8, 1/6, 1/8, and 1/6. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out by finding common denominators. 1/6 plus 1/6. And I'm going to add up the ones that are common. What would that one be? I'm not going to tell you because you already know. Then I'm going to add my eighths, okay? So with your recipes here, you're going to pick one of the three. You're going to add this recipe to your recipe, and then you're going to add common denominators. And then Monday, we will have the rest of the lesson. Yay, exciting, fun. Bye.